Welcome to Nano Curves YouTube channel. Today we will talk about the kangaroo. Certainly, here is a more detailed look at kangaroos. Well, first let's talk about the morphology and anatomy of the kangaroo. Kangaroos are characterized by their strong, muscular hind legs, which are adapted for hopping, their primary mode of locomotion. This hopping motion is energy efficient and allows them to cover large distances quickly. Their large, powerful tails provide stability while hopping and are also used as a third limb for support when standing or sitting. The forelimbs of kangaroos are much smaller and less developed compared to their hind limbs. They have long, sharp claws on their front paws, which are used for grooming and digging. Kangaroos are sexually dimorphic. Males are generally larger and heavier than females, and they often have more robust and muscular shoulders. The size and weight of kangaroos vary among species, with red kangaroos being the largest. Next, we will talk about the details of kangaroo reproduction and its development. Kangaroos have a complex reproductive system. Female kangaroos have 2 uteri and can be fertile almost continuously. They can delay the development of a fertilized egg until conditions are favorable for the survival of the offspring. After a short gestation period, a tiny, underdeveloped joey is born. It is only about 1 inch long and weighs less than a gram. The joey immediately crawls into the mother's pouch, where it attaches to a teat and continues to develop. It remains in the pouch for several months, gradually growing and becoming more independent. As the joey gets older, it spends more time outside the pouch but continues to nurse until it is fully weaned, usually around 6 to 8 months of age. Let's see his behavior and social structure here. Kangaroos are social animals and often live in groups known as mobs or troops. These groups provide protection, as there are more eyes to watch for predators. Within a mob, there is usually a dominant male, known as a boomer, who is responsible for defending the group and mating with the females. Communication among kangaroos involves vocalizations, body language, and physical interactions, including boxing matches between males competing for dominance or mates. Kangaroos are adapted to a crepuscular lifestyle, being most active during dawn and dusk when temperatures are cooler. Next, we will see how their diet and digestion is. Kangaroos are herbivores with a diet primarily consisting of grasses, leaves, stems, and other plant materials. They have specialized adaptations for efficient digestion, including a complex 4-chambered stomach similar to that of cattle. This allows them to break down the tough cellulose in their plant diet. Kangaroos are also adapted to conserve water. They can obtain much of their moisture from their food, reducing their need to drink water. Finally, let's talk about his conservation. Kangaroos are not listed as endangered, and some species are considered of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. However, populations can be affected by habitat loss and fragmentation. Controlled hunting or culling of kangaroos is practiced in some areas to manage population numbers and prevent overgrazing of vegetation. In conclusion, kangaroos are fascinating marsupials with unique adaptations, complex social structures, and a vital role in Australian ecosystems. They continue to capture the imagination of people around the world and are an integral part of Australia's cultural identity. So today, the video ends here. Post the things you know may be suitable for this, but some things may not be suitable in the comments section below. Bye bye, see you again.